Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am here to explain research project. The title is The Impact of Veganism on Supply Chain. In the past few years, veganism has gained increased popularity across the global. Veganism or vegan is a term which was important coined by a small vegetarian group of people from England in the 1940s. The reason behind the people's decision to go vegan and started that the major reason being ethical reasons. First one is health related concerns and the environment as well. However, it is being reported that the increase appropriated for vegan food is actually increasing the pressure on the supply chains as consumption of meat and dairy product are declining. So the second one is the research problem. Using referencing to existing research, identify the current research problem or challenges that is intended focus of your proposed research. In this research problem, the fastest growing trend in the food industry is rapid growth in people becoming vegan. The reason behind is this is due to the several external factors such as people are now more concerned about the health and well-being, growing concern over environment impacts as the world fire well-being is a major concern globally, and the reason also was their ethical implementations of the using small animal products. This was the problem. And the next one is as literature review. So in the literature review, as a result indicates that veganism is rapidly gaining preferencing among people, because that time the people preferencing was getting changed day by day and getting to vegan and choosing the vegan food. The second point in the literature review is the literature review focuses on the supply chain management of veganism. And the next slide is research aim and questions. So in the research aim, the aim of this research is to investigate the impact of veganism. So the main motive was to invest regarding the what was the impact on veganism on the global food supply chain as well as other implementation. So the main motive was to research regarding the what was the like impact on the veganism globally and the food supply chain and the other implementation also. So the motive of research objective was following are the object of this proposed research. The first point was to identify the motivation behind the rapid increase in veganism across the global. The motive was to just to identify why people are getting increasing day by day to choose the veganism across the globally. So the second point was to investigate the impact of veganism on the supply chains. And the next point is to propose a variable way forward for the food industry. That the what was the like the next way to forward to the food industry. So the research questions are there. The first question, why is veganism seeing exponential growth? And the second question is, what are the impacts and implementations on the supply chain? And the next and the last slide of the research project is interpretive ideas and inductive research. Qualitative research methods will be undertaking by the researcher as the required data will be gathered through interviews. So the research method in this point, So by the researcher, there is a requirement, so the data should be gathered through the interviews. And the last slide is this is the referencing. Thank you. Thanks for your listening.